I hated myself. I couldn't help but hate myself for the things I thought I was responsible for. I thought I'd lost everything.
I don't get it. So often nothing you say makes any sense, but then you have these moments where you... I don't know. How do you do that? How have you been around for so long?
I guess I just have a resilient mind.
Damn evil souls! How's your wife, King?
You had a wife? Like, here in the circus?
Yeah.